Hello stalkers, welcome back. As expected, correction is started in both the markets. This is ADX, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. I'm on the daily chart. Today it has printed a red candle. Yesterday I had mentioned market could not break out 9,350, that is resistance area. Today it tried to break out 9,245. It could not. Closing is negative at 9,175. Clearly we can see rejection, but at the same time these two candles indicate retracement or correction of this strong momentum to the upside. We saw strong rally from 8,975, 4 big green candles back to back, and now we are seeing small correction or retracement. Let me tell you something very interesting. Most likely this time we will not see any deeper correction. I think market will very soon make a U-turn, if at all it's not sustaining, into this area, that is 9,160 to 9,155. This is a strong support area. Most likely we should see a green candle into this zone. If at all this area does not hold, then I think there are chances we may see 9,120 to 9,125 as next support area. Overall, DFM market index is positive. There are very good chances after this retracement or correction phase we will see a new leg to the upside, resistance at 9,350 and then 9,400. By the way, market gave us first hand indication that it's about to correct. After this strong rally to the upside, we saw a rejection candle right at 9,400 points. From here it came down. This solid red candle was obviously due to the negative news and international scenarios, and from here market has recovered 100%. So if at all market wanted to go down, this was the perfect place. It would have broken the support and gone down till about 8,775. However, we are seeing strong recovery. This indicates buyers are in the market and there are very good chances very soon it will resume its uptrend. That's the reason I'm still bullish, and I don't think market will go for a deeper correction this time. This is the daily chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. By now I'm sure you know this area is strong resistance, that is 4,185 to 4,200 points. Market is just going sideways into this zone. As I had mentioned in my last video, even when we saw a strong momentum to the upside, I had mentioned it's better if at all it can go sideways, establish a base here, let buyers and sellers accumulate into this zone so that we can expect a stronger move. Most likely it can even break 4,240. We are seeing a similar kind of scenario, but my worry is with this candle there are good chances it can even come down till 4,160 to 4,155. As I mentioned in my yesterday's video, we should not see market going below 4,170. If that happens, then we will see weakness in the market. There are good chances then it can even come down till about 4,140. That is very strong support. So best scenario or a bullish scenario for DFM market index would be if at all we can see a solid candle closing above 4,200 points. This would then confirm, yes, resistance is finally taken out. There are chances it will try and hit 4,240 points. Overall, DFM market index is also positive. It's just going through a correction phase. In both the markets, there are good opportunities provided if you pick up your stocks correctly and at the right time. This is the daily chart of Parkin. Yesterday I had mentioned about this stock. Just in case if you have missed that video, do watch it. I will provide a link right at the top. Today, as expected, it opened flat and from here it continued its upside momentum, breaking the resistance of 3.30. Closing is at 3.32. Our planned entry was right after this candle, that is around 3.18, 3.17. From here we are seeing strong upside momentum. Obviously our target is already hit today at 3.30 area. Now it's time for a correction most likely. Yes, there are chances it may go up till 3.35, get resisted, and then potentially it may come down for a correction. So that's the reason I had mentioned my members as well. Book your profits into this zone. Do not take risk because market is very fragile. It's very sensitive. Any negative news can impact the markets. For now, Parkin has released very nice solid financial results. No wonder we are seeing it in the price as well. Mind you, rally has started from 3.10 area, almost all green candles. So most likely any resistance that comes on the way, it will take a pause or it will come down for a correction. Let me tell you, at the same time, taking fresh entries right into the resistance would be very tricky. Those who have missed the train right into this area, that is between 3.10 and 3.18, now out of FOMO, if at all they try to take position or if at all they try to enter into resistance, this would be very tricky. This is what you should avoid, because this is supply area. Most likely what will happen, it may try to go up, get resisted and come down. So if at all you are taking your positions into resistance, your capital will be blocked. It may come down for a correction, go sideways, maybe it may go down or continue its upside momentum. So it's always better to take entries at the time of support or at the time of breakout. If you understood this, please hit the like button. Another good stock that is about to break out is AD Ports or Abu Dhabi Ports Company. After this drop to the downside, it did not recover. We can see this is the gap area right here, that is between 5.00 and 5.15 area. So today it tried to move up, got rejected at 5.00, as that is psychological and technical resistance. Tomorrow there is a good chance to prove if at all buyers are here. In case if it opens flat or with a gap up, there are good chances it will try and fill up this gap, maybe tomorrow or maybe coming week or maybe during this week. We don't know that, but we can take positions as per the plan. Why is it? Because most of the times when market creates gap, it means they are out of balance. Previously price was around 5.15 and suddenly it opened with a big gap down due to the news. So this is a gap area that market had created. It has to fill up to get at the same position to balance up the price, and then it will decide whether it wants to continue or it wants to come down for a correction to visit any of the support areas. For now, AD Ports is looking positive. In case if it opens with a gap down tomorrow, then we should avoid it, because this would show signs of weakness from the buyer side. So you may take your positions accordingly. So guys, this was the quick update.
Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.
This was my lovely daughter. She wanted to end today's video.